Crunchyroll became the go-to platform for fans hungry to watch the latest hits straight from Japan. But lately, the giant has stumbled hard. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest updates. 2025, a controversial switch from the trusted Agi subtitle software to the cloud-based AI-linked Una caused a cascade of subtitle mishaps, missing translations, weird errors like ChatGPT said popping up, and whole new shows arriving without English subtitles. For a platform built on delivering anime with accurate translations, this was an epic fail. But the subtitle problem is just the tip of the iceberg. Crunchyroll's clunky, confusing user interface has long frustrated users trying to navigate their favorite series and movies. Classics like Serial Experiments Lane and Samurai Pizza Cats tease fans with show pages but no available episodes, while massive hits like My Hero Academia and Spy X Family sometimes glitch or demand multiple reloads across devices. The company's downfall was fixed as it laid off staff and leaned heavily on automation. But the fallout is clear. Anime fans are now voting with their wallets and walking over to competitors like Hulu, Netflix, HIDIVE, and Prime Video, all offering a way more smoother experience. Meanwhile, Crunchyroll's own theatrical anime releases take forever to hit streaming, testing fans' patience even more. At this point, Crunchyroll needs a serious reboot with better subtitles, a user-friendly interface, and fewer tech headaches. Otherwise, its monopoly could slip away to streaming rivals who understand that anime fans don't just want access, they want an enjoyable experience. Crunchyroll must prove it can still lead in a crowded, competitive market or risk fading into the background. Are you a Crunchyroll subscriber? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.